How to hide likes on your Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide likes or the number of likes on your Instagram post. So to do that, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, all you have to do is simply navigate to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, let's say I want to hide the like count of this post right over here. So as you can see, it is 66 others and one more. So if you want to hide the like count, all you have to do is simply tap on these three dots on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a bunch of various options will appear where you can simply tap on the option hide like count. And now instead of showing 66 others, it is only showing others. And now if someone really wants to view how many people have liked your post, they'll have to manually count all of the people who have liked our post, which almost nobody will do. So that was basically how you hide likes on your Instagram post. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.